What's going on, everybody? As you can see, I'm in nature right now, and I thought, let's take this opportunity and shoot a video about the 5 things I think are most important when starting out on YouTube. Because I know from my personal experience back in 2019 when I started that it took me so long to actually start. And I hope to, motivate you guys to start tomorrow when you heard about these 5 tips. So, without any further ado, let's go. Tip number 1. Start a YouTube channel for the right reasons. A lot of people do this for the money or for the fame. Well, neither of those is probably going to happen because it takes a shitload of time to even see the slightest growth on your channel. And a lot of people get demotivated and quit. I did it as well, but I got back. Anyway, the better reason is to start a YouTube channel out of passion. If you have passion for baking or for filmmaking or for finance, I don't know, something. Because the good thing about this platform is that there is a niche for every idea out there. Because there's probably a group of people somewhere in the world that is interested in hearing your story. Now it's your turn to create a skill to create informative and fun videos for people to watch. But also, it's important to learn how to market your videos, how to create engaging titles, cool thumbnails, and all these things that people need in order to find your videos. Because you can be super good at creating high quality videos, but if you're not able to market your videos properly, nobody is going to find them. Tip number 2, stop procrastinating and start doing. I uploaded my first video in June 2019, but I thought about uploading my first video in December of 2018. It took me 8 or 7 months to finally make that step, finally to get the courage to upload it. And if you don't upload anything, there's nothing to learn from, there's nothing to develop upon. So upload it, go out there, shoot something, make a video about, I don't know, your kitchen tools or something and upload it to YouTube, make something fun about it and learn from that. Your first video is probably going to be pretty bad, but you'll develop, you'll get better at it, but you have to start doing it. Tip number 3, find your niche. And this tip goes hand in hand with the previous one because as you upload your first video and as you grow and as you make more videos, you'll find your niche slowly but steady. It's quite hard and difficult to say whenever you upload your first video, all right, this is going to be the niche that I'm going to make videos for years to come. I personally had a lot of passions like self-development, yoga, working out, but the niche that I end up sticking to is filmmaking because this is the niche that my passion really comes to life in. I don't really have to think about the things that much because it comes natural because it is my passion and it's my work. So, you have to find your niche, but also let it take its route and just go with the flow, and eventually you'll find a niche that you feel comfortable making videos in, because making videos and putting yourself in front of the camera is quite a big task, quite difficult at first. So, go with the flow, but make sure to eventually tailor down to one niche only, because doing too many things on one YouTube channel, that just doesn't work. A good strategy is to go to your favorite YouTuber and go to his first video and check what that video was like, and then follow along as he progresses throughout his career on YouTube, what kind of changes he makes and what he does to develop, and apply those rules to yourself to get better. Oh, I'm stuck. Tip number 4, gear does matter. If you want to stand out between these millions of videos on YouTube, you have to have a good quality in audio and video. Though a lot of people spend it on the wrong gear. So they spend 4,000 euros on a very good and high quality camera, but they don't have any audio equipment. They record their talking heads with their internal microphones, which sounds rubbish. If there's something I learned as a filmmaker, audio is key. If your audio sucks, nobody's gonna watch your videos. Even though your video quality is not as high definition, if the audio quality is good, people will watch it. All right, last but not least, tip number 5, and that is commitment. You need to upload weekly if you want this thing to succeed. If you don't upload weekly or you upload sporadically, subscribers or followers may lose interest in your content because they don't know what to expect. Also, I want to tell you guys that it is very important to comment on every comment on your video in the beginning of this, journey. Especially because you don't have a lot of followers yet, you need to start creating that community. If you have 1,200 comments to reply to, that's a bit of a different story. But in the beginning, I feel like it's very beneficial to really dive deep into that community thing, that social thing that YouTube is famous about as well. So, all right, I think that's it. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it helped you out a little bit. Hopefully I convinced you to stop procrastinating and, start uploading that first video to YouTube. YouTube is a very hard platform to gain subscribers on. It is, in my opinion, the hardest platform to gain any following on. So, you really have to stay consistent. And the only last piece of advice that I want to give you is go for it. Don't give up and don't let anyone tell you differently. Do it. Go out there and shoot something. Upload it today and leave the link in the comments below. All right, thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.